how to reset your laptop without losing your data in Windows 11. So in this video, I'll show you how to go in factory reset your laptop without deleting any of your personal files or documents. Now it's really simple to do. We just need to open up your start menu. You could then use the search box to type in settings and click on this app here. Now from the left hand side, click on system. And then you'll need to scroll down this page and go and click on recovery. Now next to reset this PC, click the reset PC button. And you'll have two different options to either keep your files or to remove everything. So we need to make sure that we don't delete any of our personal files and documents, so just go and press keep my files. You then have two options, either cloud download or a local reinstall. Now go and click on the local reinstall button. If for some reason this doesn't work, you can always come back to this and try the cloud download instead. It will then say this is going to reinstall Windows from this device, and it's also going to reset your apps back to its factory settings. Now all of your personal files and documents won't be deleted, so you can just go through these steps by pressing next, and that's how to reset your computer without deleting your data.